Hi, my name is Fixie. I am here to help you with DaVinci Resolve GPU configuration warning.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're solving one of the most common and frustrating errors in DaVinci Resolve, the GPU configuration warning. If you've seen this pop up, don't worry. You're not alone, and it's usually an easy fix. By the end of this video, you'll understand why it happens and how to get your system running smoothly. First, what does this warning actually mean? Essentially, DaVinci Resolve can't properly talk to your graphics card. Since Resolve relies heavily on your GPU for everything from playback to color grading, this will cripple your performance. Step number one, and the most important, is updating your drivers. But there's a catch. You can't just use any driver. If you have an NVIDIA card, you need the Studio driver, not the Game Ready driver. The Studio driver is optimized for creative applications like Resolve and is much more stable. Step number two, go to DaVinci Resolve in the top menu, then Preferences. On Windows, it's under File. Now click on Memory and GPU. Look for GPU processing mode. If you have an NVIDIA card, this should be set to CUDA. If you're on a Mac or have a modern AMD card, set this to Metal. Avoid OpenCL as it's older and can cause issues. Once you've made your selection, click OK. One of these solutions should have resolved that pesky GPU warning for you. The most common fix by far is simply doing a clean install of the correct Studio driver. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips. Have you encountered any other errors? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.